Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. Today, let us begin the chapter number 4, addition and subtraction up to 9. Understanding addition. Addition means putting things together and counting them. Let us take some examples to understand addition. Suppose you have 3 pencils and your friend is also having 3 pencils and both of you put them together in a box. Now, how many pencils are there in the box? Come on, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pencils in the box now. The mathematical statement of this example is written like this. Here, this symbol is called plus and this symbol represents is equal to, and this statement is read as 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. I read once again. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Here, the result we obtain after adding two numbers is called sum. Therefore, 6 is the sum of 3 and 3. This is what is called as addition. This process of putting the things together and counting them in all is called as addition. Let us take some more examples to understand the different cases of addition. Example 1. Add 6 potatoes and 3 potatoes. Here we have how many potatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 potatoes are there. And here we have 1, 2, 3 potatoes. Let us put them together. Addition is nothing but putting the things together and counting them. So we put these 6 potatoes and 3 potatoes together. Now let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. We should read this as 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 6 potatoes plus 3 potatoes is equal to 9 potatoes. The objects may be anything. Those could be potatoes, tomatoes, onions, pencils, erasers, balls, marbles, whatever. The mathematical statements will be written using numbers and these symbols plus and is equal to. Now let us see what happens on adding 0 to a number. Adding 0. Here we see 4 marbles in a box. And there is another box in which we do not see any marbles. So we know that nothing to count is represented with 0. So 0 represents nothing. So there are nothing in the box which can be represented using the number 0. And when we put them together, that means 4 marbles and 0 marbles. How many marbles we have in all? So when we add them, 4 marbles and 0 marbles, we get 4 marbles. Because there are no marbles in the second box, so we will be having only 4 marbles. Therefore, the mathematical statement will be 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Now compare this statement with the picture given here. 4 marbles plus 0 marbles is equal to 4. That means when we add 0 to any number, the value of the number will not change. It remains the same. The number remains the same on adding 0 to it. It could be any number. ಅದು ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರಿಗೆ 0ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ನಂಬರಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ನಂಬರು ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. In this case we have an empty box here. The first box is empty. That means there are no objects in the first box. So no objects is represented with the number 0. There are 0 objects in the first box. And we see there are 1, 2, 3 marbles in the second box. There are 3 marbles. Now let us add them. Adding means putting things together and counting them. So when we add 0 marbles and 3 marbles, we get 3 marbles. That is 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. That means when we add any number to 0, the value of the number will not change or the number remains the same. Either you add 0 to a number or any number to 0, the number remains the same. That means addition of 0 with any number will not change the value of the number. Remember this. When 0 is added to any number or any number is added to 0, we get the same number as the answer. That answer is called as sum. The result or answer obtained after adding 2 or more numbers is called as sum. So, when 0 is added to any number, the sum will remain as the number to which 0 is added. Let us see what happens when we add 1 to a given number. So, adding 1. Here there are some tops ಅಂದರೆ ಬುಗುರಿಗಳು. Let us see how many tops are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here there are 7 tops, and here we have one top. That means we are adding 1 to 7. So when these are put together, this one top is put together with 7 tops. How many tops are there in all here? Let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. That means adding 1 to any number will give the next number. Remember this. Adding 1 to any number will give us the next number. 7, the next number is 8. We obtain 8 on adding 1 to 7. If add 1 to 8, which number you will get? 8 plus 1 is 9. You will get the next number. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is next to 3. Therefore, adding 1 to any number gives us the next number. So these are some basics of addition. In the next classes, we will understand some more interesting things about addition and subtraction. Thank you for watching this video. Bye children.